as we have already configured the Kali Linux inside the VirtualBox, now let's start using the Kali Linux and let's see how it is actually starts and what the options are available once we are going to use the Kali on the boot menu. So the first one is the live, that will be the live mode, and other options are also available that we can use for the forensics and the fail-safe USB persistence. That will be live USB running, live USB encrypted persistent, graphical install is also there. So in that, all of the cases we can use in different situations and different system, different working capabilities of your system, and what the desired subjective to you want the Kali Linux to be running on. So we can also see the advanced options for the installations and running on. But for this course, I'm going to use the live mode as this is the best option. So simply hit the enter and it will be starting up. So we can see the now Kali Linux logo is there. It is starting up, loading up all of the services and creating a virtual sandbox to run this Kali Linux, and all of this system will be running in a virtual sandbox inside the virtual machine. We can see all of the programs are running, and now it is almost done to start up for the first screen that we can see here. Alright, so it has been started up. First screen is there and we can see the Kali Live CD. And now moving to the switch user, if I'm going to log it out, as you see, this is not asking for the password or the username, but once you are going to log out or something like that, then it will be asking for the passwords and the username. So username is the Kali and the password is also the same Kali. So just hit enter by the username and the Kali Linux, putting the same values, and it will be started up. This is all just for the starting up, firing up the Kali Linux. Now we can do from this screen, like the customizations that we will see in the next lessons for the power management and the display resolutions. See you there. Thank you.